Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Here's a quick video of what to look for if you have a wet floor in a Saab 9-3. If the floor gets wet only after a rainy day or after a car wash, then you need to inspect the seal around the AC filter housing. Just pop the plastic cover and the guard plate and look behind the filter. In addition, make sure the drain holes is not obstructed. There are two drain holes, one at the left and one at the right. I'm only showing the right drain hole here. If the floor gets wet after using the AC, then you have to inspect the evaporator drain tube, located just down there. If the drain hole is not obstructed, you should see a puddle of water underneath the car when using the AC while parked. This is the drain tube. The view is from underneath the car. Let's try to poke it with a stick. You can already see water flowing out, meaning that was the issue with this car. There are other issues that can cause wet floor, like the sunroof drain. In the meantime, consider having a look at my other videos. Thank you boys and girls for watching, and remember, if you are not a subscriber, consider subscribing. Bye bye!